It is currently 10:30 p.m. right now, and all of a sudden, after sleeping, studying and staying like a homeless person the whole day, I felt like I should take a very good shower. Everything a person can do in the shower, I felt like doing everything. And now I feel so much relaxed. I just want to sleep now, but I have lots of things to do, so I cannot sleep right now, and I have to study. So today, this is a new makeup, skincare, whatever you can say. It's a pouch new. By the way, this is a new lip balm that I'm using, and this is very popular. Like, everyone knows about this, and this is actually so good. I love the way it repairs the breakdown of my lips. I keep on chewing my lips. Okay, that's a bad habit that I have. I keep on chewing my lips and I cannot help it out, so I'm just applying this lip therapy. I am actually becoming so lazy after my boards. Like, I don't know, it's a long since my boards ended, but I feel like sleeping the whole time. I am sleeping at least for like 10 hours, 11 hours. I mean, I'm shameful, but I am doing that, which is not good, of course, and I really want to get up as early as possible. I can like study whole night and then sleep in the morning. It's not a big deal for me. It will not be hectic for me, but it's a bad habit. Like, being a night owl is not a flex, and I really want to be a morning person. I'm trying to be a morning person. It is actually very hectic after 12. Like, everyone is just asking why you're sitting at home, why you're not looking for colleges, why you're not looking for courses, why you're sticking to one thing. A lot of questions people are asking. It's raining outside. It's 3:15 a.m. right now, and I never feel like I'm done with my studies, because it's never done. You know, if you know, like, it's never done. Even if we are done with our target, we know that a lot more is left. It's literally 4 a.m. right now, and I am still reading this. It's currently what the hell? It's currently 12:30 p.m. right now. After waking up, मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं करता है. It's like, कहाँ हूँ मैं, क्यों हूँ मैं? And I like open YouTube every day, and there are certain vlogs like waking up at 5 a.m, waking up at 6 a.m for a week, for a month. And I'm like, भाई तुम लोग एम में उठ रहे हो. मैं तो बस एग्जाम्स के टाइम पे उठती थी, जिस टाइम पे पढ़ाई का बहुत प्रेशर होता था, उस टाइम पे मैं उठती थी. एंड नाउ no more I'm waking up at AM. I'm only waking up at PM. The only AM I am staying awake is 3 AM, 12 AM, 4 AM. ऐसा नहीं कि पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा है. I am studying, but it's like late night studies, which I usually used to do, and I am used to late night studies. Another color from Paradise, and I have colored my hair like 2-3 times before also, and this time it's not for me, it's for my Mata Shri. 645. It's like on the offline store, but in the online it's like 500 something. We're getting a brush, the color, developer. मैं आवाज कुछ चाहे आवाज राश पे. This is the conditioner basically, and this is the thing which we need to apply after 2 weeks. Hi, what is it? Bahubali. Yeah. I literally lost all my energy to study because I was literally sitting there for that shoot for almost like 2 hours, like straight 2 hours. And after doing that, I don't know, I'm feeling so weak now.
रेड कलर का एक टेलू का मास्क दिख रहा होगा, सबके आंखों में दिख रहा होगा, अपनी अपनी आंखों में देखो यार, ठीक है ना।
So it's basically 3:30 PM now and my lectures are over. I am done with lunch and shower both. The thing which you can see on the fan, it seems like it's dirt, but it's not dirt, okay? Oreo! Look at what he is doing. It looks like it is dirt, but it's not dirt. It's just some streams. I'm in my nightie, which is the most comfortable thing I feel like. I love to wear t-shirt, shorts and trousers also. But nightie has that extreme comfort. After wearing a nightie, I don't feel like I'm wearing something, which is the best part. Like tomorrow, basically, I have a family function for which I cannot do the backlogs tomorrow. So I need to complete lots of things today. Over that, I need to go out with my mom for some walk and I don't know how I'm managing all these things. And now editing करने में बहुत time लग जाएगा. मतलब अगर ये vlog edit करने बैठूंगी तो at least 2 to 3 hours लग ही जाएगा. I have a lot of walks basically. I got 2 new beautiful clutches. Look at these 2. So this is how my life is basically looking like. Like I'm trying to romanticize every possible things because reality is so boring. मतलब so hectic basically. If you all like this video, make sure to subscribe and give a big thumbs up if you wish to because I cannot force anyone. And thanks for watching. Bye.